Well, at least you're all right. Taking a video. Memories. Steve just fucking took the mule down. He's all right. You can see he hit right there, brushed all along here, and then fucking flipped over the handlebars and landed. You can see where the weeds are pressed down right there. We ain't gonna be able to by ourselves. We're gonna wait till they come back. No, dude, we ain't gonna be able to. All right, now after you've had about what, 20, 25, 30 minutes to think about it,
off the bike.
What do you think happened out there?
Too fast. Not enough control.
We're on
Ran too fast, lost control.